What is up, guys? Today we've got the Project Stunt Sporty here, and we're gonna go for a little cruise. Here we go. All right, guys, so this is my new little bike. We're gonna be turning this into a stunt bike and learning how to stunt. So the other day when I got this bike, right when I get onto my street, it dies. It just shuts off, and I'm like, oh, no, what? The bike would start, but when you would like accelerate down the road like this and then come to an idle, it would die. Like right there, it would have died. And so I was like, okay, so the bike's starting, but it's not like running, right? Like if I give it gas and then let off the gas, it dies. Like, what is that? And I'm just about to go into it and start working on it. And all of a sudden the bike, I have it jacked up on the little stand that levels it out, and it won't start. And I'm like, hold on. The bike was starting yesterday, and now it won't start. Like, I understand that it was having trouble running, it would die, but it should at least start. And so I tip it on its side like this, and it starts, and I go, oh my God, I'm an idiot. The petcock is right there in the middle, not down here where the fuel's the lowest. So you'll see fuel in your tank, and it'll slosh around, but that petcock sticks up right here. And so I wasn't getting gas to the actual petcock because the gas was low. It's a tiny little peanut tank, and I'm not used to, you know, tiny little peanut tank. And I was like, there's no way I ran out of gas that quick. And sure enough, it ain't got no gas in it. On the downside, I could potentially be a idiot. But on the plus side, the bike runs. So that's pretty cool. It actually runs pretty good too. I like that rev limiter, baby. Tell you what I don't like are these handlebars though. Like, I don't like that shit. This is kind of, I don't even know how to explain it. It's not bad, it's just weird. Feel like you're on like a beach cruiser. A couple things I fixed, or more or less just changed since buying the bike, was had these little rubber grommet boots on here. I didn't really like the look of those, so I ripped those off. The little digital or light indicator thing right here to tell you when you're neutral, or your turn signals, your high beams, and your oil light. Those the lights were there, but they were working, but they were hanging. The plugs were all dry rotted, so I basically just went in and bought new grommets and, you know, fixed that up. So now the lights work there. There was a back seat rest thing that was horribly ugly, and I got rid of that thing. And I think that's really about it for now, but I got a bunch more stuff that I want to do. It's got some get up and go for an 883, I'll tell you what. My other Sportster's 1200, and I thought this thing was going to be like not even fun to ride, but it's not bad. I mean, it's no leader bike or anything, but it's peppy and it's got some torque. Sounds good. Whoosh. Alright, so this used to be my little stunt area where I'd go practice stuff. But it looks like before long we're going to have a bunch of Nancy and Drews out here complaining about every little thing. So we might as well just have a little bit of fun while we can.
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Oh, shit. Damn it. Well, broke my lever. It's definitely a stunt bike now, guys. Whew! Alrighty, so damages. No broken wrist. That was my main concern as I was flying through the air. And no oil coming out of the bike. So that's a good thing, good sign. Fuck, dude. Oh, shit. So that was me right there. I thought it was gonna not do that. We bent the mirror a little bit here. And our pride. I mean, it starts, so that's a good sign. Yeah, guys, I meant to do that. Just wanted to test out the stunt bike capabilities and crashing capabilities of this thing. Let's do it again. Well, shit. We bought this bike to learn how to stunt. It is not a stunt bike yet. I am not a stunt bike rider. Not even close. I just think it's cool and I want to learn. On the plus side, I've been really afraid of crashing a motorcycle, especially getting into stunting. And I guess you could say I just popped my cherry because, no, I'm not as afraid anymore, but I definitely have a sense of respect for it more now. Right on the hill, too. Damn it. Alright, so we threw it, put it on reserve, tilted the bike, got it started. Could have sworn I just topped this thing off, but it is a peanut tank, so I guess it just goes through gas faster than I thought. God. Okay, so I didn't break anything when I crashed. It was just out of gas again. Man, I am not used to these tiny little peanut tanks. They just run out of gas like every 10 feet, dude. I don't know how you Sportster guys with peanut tanks are doing it like on long trips. That's crazy. My shoulder hurts a little bit, honestly. The adrenaline's kind of wearing down and yeah, getting a little stiff. So yeah, guys, I love my new little stunt bike. I got a lot to do on this thing. I got a lot to learn from this thing. Appreciate you guys coming along with me on this fun, exciting little ride. And yeah, hopefully I get better at stunt riding and doing wheelies, and you know, hopefully you guys enjoy the content, and you know, I'll keep updating you guys as we build this thing out and as I get better at riding. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Until next time, guys, peace out.